How to fix Steam Remote Play lag. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's begin. First, open up your Steam. After you launch your Steam, tap on Steam on the top left and go to settings. After you're on settings, you will see a lot of settings on the left hand side. The one you want to go to is remote play. After you're on remote play, make sure that you allow direct connections IP sharing. Set it to automatic. After you set that to automatic, scroll down, you will see advanced client option and advanced host option. Toggle that on, and after you do so, scroll down, make sure all of this is turned on. Not all of this, but enable hardware encoding and your prioritize network traffic. After you do that, enable your client options too. You can scroll down and choose your video for balanced or fast. I'm sorry, choose for fast, select fast. After you do so, you can scroll down, even change any of these if you want to. And after you do so, make sure that you've turned on hardware recording too. And after you do so, tap on apply and you're basically good to go. So that is how you can fix your Steam play lag, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.